All right, what's up, guys? Today, we're in Mia. We're in the 240 today. That's because one, 240 is locked in. It's on the other side of the trailer. And this video is not going to be about the 240. We're going to go help Frank finish rebuilding his Civic. And then he's going to help me put my diff in and clean it and all that crap. Like tomorrow or the next day or whenever. So yeah, so today just help him out, help him finish up, hopefully get it running, and you know, go from there, see how it goes. So let's head over there right now. And we're here. Gotta get all my shit out. I brought some tools, help out. So let's go get everything set up, say hello. Okay, let's see. Oh, there you are. Bottom. Oh, dude, I think you're missing a cam, dude. Shit. Okay. There we go. Dude, I think you're missing a cam here.
What?
I think you're missing a cam. Dude, what happened?
No, single cam for life, bro.
I'm gonna join the single cam game.
So they limited my head. You know how you can do your head resurface over and over again?
Oh, I thought you said hood. I was like, wait, what?
No, they limited my head.
Which?
Hood,
Yeah, that's. I was like, what the fuck?
No difference. So now the head is limited. So next head gasket I blow, head is done. Yeah.
Nice.
But it's better compression.
Yeah, dude.
No AC, dog. I could fucking step in this. That's how I did it to take off the intake manifold. I stepped in this, had my fucking other foot right here. I took it out.
So, while we were at Home Depot.
What did you guys buy now?
Well, I told you we got that toolbox, but that was at Sears.
What the fuck is this piece of shit? No, not that one. It's over here somewhere. This one.
Yeah, that's it.
So it was connected. This one was connected to this one.
Yeah.
At the end. So and then there was that other hose was connected to there. So took off this piece, bypassed it, and then the freezer just has it straight like that. This fucking sense here, or the solenoid, broke on me. And fitting that 22 wrench from right here all the way over here is a bitch to take it off. So, yeah. Bitch.
That fucking 36 socket I had to buy, $20.
Oh, you get this one?
Dude, it's some bullshit. Yeah, some bullshit. What is it? Half-inch drive or? Because they had 36 and 3/4 drive, and I was like, I don't have 3/4 drive. That's a shit ton of torque though.
Where's this one for?
Axle, right?
No, that's not my axle.
Preludes?
No, truck.
Oh, fuck.
The one that I used was
Or like a 17?
it's like a 27 or some shit.
See, the one that I had, the biggest socket that we had was a 27.
Well, maybe it was this one.
Dude, the nut was as big as my shift knob. No, it's not that one.
Yeah, it was this one.
Dude, where's your tread? It's worse than mine, dude.
Gold.
In mine, the front driver one isn't. It has like 25% tread, and then the right one is a slick. Are you gonna do the shifter too?
K2 shifter, bro.
You showed me with the lights.
Pretty good.
32.
I wonder if it'll make a difference with the weight being at the bottom too.
At the bottom?
So it's gonna be really fucking heavy. Because you'll have the weight at the top and the weight at the bottom.
I think you just have better leverage with the weight at the bottom.
Yo. You got chocolate milk coming out your engine, dude.
Some Nesquik.
You got some coilovers.
Yeah, new brand new everything, dude. It's like a new car.
Yeah, it was like.
What are you trying to hit?
Sway bar.
Sway bar?
Sway bar inlays.
Ah, are those the new ones you got?
Well, I'm taking off the old ones.
Oh, to put the new ones on?
Yeah. Could you give me a flathead?
Flathead. Flathead. Here you go. Oh, dude, nice, dude. It's like your rod, but worse than your rod.
Bushings are done.
Your rod, it was hard to tell.
All right, could you grab them? They're on the other side.
The new ones?
Yeah.
Where on the other side? Oh, I see them.
I hope you see them.
No, dude, I don't see them, dude. I think someone stole them. It's probably the S14 guy.
Fuck that guy. You gave me the one that's apart. You could have.
I gave you the one that was together.
Together, you could have. Alright, well, same shit.
Man, you said get one, dude. If you want me to get a specific one, then tell me which specific one you want.
Okay.
Sir.
I will let you know.
So the new steering rack, right?
New rack and pinions? Yeah.
Yeah, because I see where it connects to the spindle is different, right? It looks different.
What?
Where it connects to the spindle,
What about it?
it's different.
Yeah, because it's new.
Did the old one look like that, or?
Yeah, it was just all dirty.
Oh. Because I don't think mine looks like that. Like, I think it looks... I don't know. I haven't, like... I just glance underneath my car unless there's something that I actually am
That's
trying to...
because you haven't noticed anything wrong.
Yeah, because I'm not looking for shit.
Yeah, otherwise you'll find a fuckload of issues.
Hey, car still runs and drives, dude. Hasn't overheated on me.
That you know of.
On me.
That you know of.
It hasn't, dude. It wouldn't. Dude, it'd be like fucking Sylvester.
Well, you continue driving, so it could have probably just took off. Dude, these are a lot bigger. Like, way better.
Like, will they fit?
No, yeah, look at it. Well, you didn't. Here, I'll give you a comparison.
Oh, this is the bent one. There are torque spikes for it, huh?
No.
No?
No.
Oh. Dude, that would be a bitch to break. Or strip.
Yeah, Jiffy, these guys do all the fucking time.
How the fuck do you strip it? Because like they have the right tools.
That's because they fucking you with the impact because you're stupid.
Tighten it up with impact. Dude, like that oil filter, he put fucking gasket maker, red Loctite, and he fucking impacted it on his boss's car after his boss was being a dick to him.
Yep, goodbye.
Yeah, dude, that's... He wouldn't... What would he have to... He wouldn't have to get a whole new engine, would he?
Well, you could use that if it was a K&N filter. You could pop up in the little nut.
No, it was like...
like the Fram there?
Yeah, it was like hours. Good?
Alright, pump it.
1,
And then hold it.
2, 3.
Make sure you go all the way to the floor and all the way out.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, I'm holding it. This is how you bleed brakes. You open the little bleeder valve and you have someone pump the brakes 10 times and then hold it, and it's gonna, once the brake fluid's coming out like evenly, like there's no like breaks in it, there's no like air anymore, and it's just one solid stream, tighten it back up and then you're good. Move on to the next one.
Alright, good go.
I sort of want this mirror, but I don't know, because it's like a section, like it's weird, section. There's 5 sections, so I don't know if I want that, or maybe they have one that's just one piece. Here's a Civic with R888s. Looking good. These are probably the sexiest tire. So good. And then he's got some Toyos in the back, but they're not R888s. Like the street tire version of it.
Push it.
Well, I think it'd be more like sitting on it. It doesn't talk anymore. Sit on it, dude. Get up here. Dude.
You see what I was talking about? It doesn't budge.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, this shit is lower than those Preludes now. Dude, you could floor by the Preludes before. My foot still fits in here. It's just really low.
It's because the tire change is so fucking huge.
Have the pedal in, just rev it. Red line.
Alright, adios. You gonna try to get it running tonight? Or driving? Cause I mean, it's only 9:30. I mean,
I've been working on it all day.
yeah, but you're almost done.
I woke up at like 7:30 and I started working on it at like 11. All day I've been at it, bro. I wasn't even in the house, just so I could eat. Well, that's what I was in the house for.
Yeah. Yeah, and you only got a couple things left.
Yeah, I'll see.
Alright, then you gotta help me.
You act like I don't help you.
Hmm? No, I'm just so you don't remember. Don't forget.
Well,
Adios. Alright, let's go home. Got an early day at work tomorrow, that's why I'm leaving. It's only 9:30. I would stay longer and help more, but I got work. So Yo, sometimes life has to come first. Your obligations have to come before what you want to do. Sometimes. That's just life. So, oh, it got dark. I hit the wrong thing. So yeah, all right. Well, I'll see you guys later. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let Frank know what you guys think of his Civic. I think it looks pretty good now. It's come a long way. The rims and tires, they look really good. The R888s are by far the best looking tire that is just out there for like street cars and track cars and that shit. I don't really know about drifting. I don't know if it'd be a good drift tire or whatever. Fuck. But yeah, so comment, let him know what you think, and give him a big fuck you. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.